Walang sila mag-check-in, so malalaman ko next week anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na buwan. Pag may project ka, di mo nalaman.
Sino ba yun? Gawa niya kasama niya kasama niya, no? Hindi. Kala ko si Carlo.
Stunning.
Hi, Miss Miles. This is Elijah.
Wala, nasa trabaho.
Busy, Miss Miles.
Lagi tayong role. So, kung ano man yung i-offer, basta it's the right project, yung tingin natin. Yun, para maging happy yung mga fans. Thank you so much.
Tama. Yun, iconic na siya. And then, last question. All I want for Christmas or the holidays is?
Spend time with my family. So, we'll go to Canada. So, family niya and my family is, yun, celebrate ang Christmas together.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Yes, and look here.
Don't have a baby yet, but...
Wala po kami baby pa.
I think first question, what home cooked meal or food reminds you of your childhood?
Caldereta. Still my favorite until now.
Both of you can answer, what's one billion from your parents that you'll never ever forget?
Umuwi na maaga. Hindi. Siguro, stay humble. Stay humble.
Ako, ang lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin, anak, lagi mo naman isipin ang kinabukasan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Go back.